How to rank videos in Google and YouTube. Number 1. Targeting your videos. Some search terms just require a video. For example, if you wanted to know how to tie a bow tie, would you want to read an article or see a video? Anytime someone's looking for a tutorial or how to do something or a review of a product, a video just makes sense. Anything that teaches or trains is better with a video. Try to find high traffic, low competition keywords in these areas. Number 2. Optimizing your videos. You may not realize it, but the file name of your video matters. Make sure that the file name contains the keywords you want the video to rank for. The title of your video is also incredibly important. Make sure it contains your keywords, an intent modifier, and a healthy dose of clickbait. For example, how to tie a bow tie in 10 seconds. So easy, must see. When you upload the video to YouTube, add as many related tags as possible. And remember, Google can't read videos, so be sure to upload a captions file so Google knows exactly what every segment of your video is about. Use the video description to entice viewers to visit your site. Number 3. Promoting your videos. The number 1 requirement to get your videos to rank in both Google and YouTube is engagement. That means you've got to get people to view your videos. One great way to do this is to post the video to related Facebook groups. You can also find a relevant Quora thread and post your video as a supplement to the answer to a question. Of course, you'll also want to add your video to your blog or website. And make sure you email the video to your list. You are building an email list, right? And finally, share your video on all of your social media accounts. It can take time to rank your videos, so be persistent. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it, share it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.